What's up, Insa? You know, before Race Flaves, I was a vegetarian for almost 10 years. And then in 2018, my son and my daughter moved in with me, and I got one of these bad boys. A full-on, old-school, rusty smoker. This way I can make bigger meals with a bigger family and get things done in bigger batches. So today I'm going to try Cosmo's Spatchcock Chicken, and it's a type of chicken where you cut it down the backbone and put some rubs on it and put it on the smoker. All right, we got the chicken in, all seasoned up, all ready to go, and we're going to hit that in the smoker for about 4 hours at 265 degrees, and we'll check it out. All right, guys, it's been about an hour. I'm going to check it out, and I'm going to probably tent it with some foil. Looking pretty good, but just for safety precautions, a little touch of crutch.
This is his cookie. It's his major cookie.
And tent it with a little foil.
I'm gonna eat you.
I got a real big spoiler. I'm pretty sure we'll go to it.
Yummy.